Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the logical design of IoT. Before this logical design of IoT, we have gone through the physical design of IoT, and physical design of IoT mainly consists of two parameters, or we can say in physical design, we concentrate more on the physical devices and the protocols. And we have discussed all those physical devices and different IoT protocols under the physical design. Now, what is the logical design? So, logical design basically give the abstract representation of entity and the processes without going into the low level specification of or implementation. So basically this will give an overall idea about the entities and the processes. So for understanding logical design of IoT, we have to explore these three things. That is IoT functional block, IoT communication model, and IoT communication API. So first, we will discuss the IoT functional block. So what is the IoT functional block? So here, functional block means here we have divided this IoT based system into three parts. First one is device. First layer is device. And second layer consists of different types of services, security, management, and communication. And the third one is application layer. So this classification is based on its function. So the at first layer, device will just sense the data and communicate with each other. And in the second layer, there will be services, management, communication, and security. All these services are at the second layer. And the third one is the application layer. So devices, an IoT system consists of different types of devices like sensing devices, sensors, actuating devices, actuators, monitoring and control functions. Second is the device is the first functional layer. The second functional layer consists of communication, services, management, as well as security. So communication block deals with the communication between client and the cloud server. So communication will handle the data transmission between server and the client using different protocols. Services includes monitoring, controlling, publishing data, device recovery. These are the different kinds of the services. Management. This functional block provides functions that are used to manage an IoT system. This particular block manage all the parts. Security. This block deals with the security features. It handles the security feature of any IoT systems. So it will provide the functions like authentication, authorization, message and content integrity, data security. So all these are the functions of security. So here communication, so this one. Communication, services, management and security. This is all these comes in second layer, second functional layer. And the last one is application layer. And this application layer, this is the interface that the user can use to control and monitor various aspects of the IoT system. Basically, this is the interface that is available to user. So application allow users to view the system status. Here user can see the status of device or analyze the recorded data or process that data. So this is all about the functional aspect of IoT based system. So if we go back, then we will see that logical design means three main blocks: functional block, communication models, and communication API. And right now we have discussed these IoT functional blocks. First one is device. Second consists of four parameters: communication, services, management, and security. And the last one is the application layer. Now next is a IoT communication model. So there are different types of models available in IoT systems, and the purpose of this communication model is to communicate or exchange data between server and the system. So basically this is used for the communication, for transmission of data or to receive data. These are the purpose of this communication model. Or simply, it establishes the communication between the devices, in between devices, devices and the cloud, devices and the website. So these are the communication models. There are four communication models: request response model, publish subscribe model, push pull model, and exclusive pair model. So all these models are involved or used for the communication between client and the server. So we will discuss all these communication model one by one in next video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. In next lecture, we will see communication model.